Ano kami guys sa UK. Vlog ko lang to, ayan oh. Ito na yung venue nung paglalaro ng mga bata. Batang Ireland in UK. Enter, ando na yung mga players sa loob. So we are here in Tudor Park. Tudor Park Sports and Leisure. Alright. Yung mga players ng Ireland. So everybody's here. So mag-change sila ng ano. Change costume sila. Yes. Coach Eric Altamirano. Nagkakamp. Yung venue ng ano, paliga rito. Nagkakamp pa si Coach Altamirano.
You're showing the ball here. I'm here. Go. There, hide the ball. Good. Very good. Yes. Very good. Very good. Nice. Very good.
Training camp Coach Altamirano.
Left, right, take off with the right hand. Take off with the right hand. Two hands. Two hands. Yes, remember your target.
Focus na tayo under 16. Ayan si Coach Altamirano.
So lock, lift, meaning when I say lift, you're only moving your elbow up. You're locking your elbow like this. Black right. Here, you see, alternate now, one at a time. Go. Go again. Alright, now when you shoot, don't let the ball touch your